Creators with visual impairments use images in presentations, social media, websites, videos, and art. To find images, creators search for images online or make their own. However, creating and searching for images remain challenging because authoring tools and search results are inaccessible. As a result, creators with visual impairments often limit the type of images they create or ask sighted people to create images. Recent text-to-image generation models take text descriptions as input and generate image candidates. This could enable creators with visual impairments to easily author high-fidelity images. However, the output images are inaccessible. While automatic image captions can help creators interpret image content, it is hard to check whether the generated images follow the prompt or compare and contrast the images to decide the final image. We present GenAssist, a system that supports accessible image generation. To use GenAssist, the creator enters their text prompt and the generated images. Then, GenAssist provides rich visual information with 4 components. First, the summary table highlights the similarities and differences between the generation results and provides per-image descriptions. Second, the prompt verification table lets users check whether each image followed the prompt. Third, the content table provides detailed information about the image content, emotion, and potential usage. Fourth, with the style and error table, users can check the styles and distortion errors made by the image generation model. Users can also ask additional visual questions about the images. We evaluated GenAssist with 12 creators with visual impairments. This is an example set of images created by one of our study participants after reading an article about multitasking. When reading the summary table, the participant noticed that image 3 depicts the inside of an airplane. She decides not to use image 3 and move on.
Group, table, 1 column, 1 row. You are currently on a cell, inside of a table. Similarities, all 4 images feature a person in a seated position who appears to be engaged in a task or activity. Differences, image 1, 3, 4 shows someone reading and image 2 depicts a person writing. All images have headphones visible and only image 1, 3, and 4 have microphones. The setting of image 1, 2, and 4 is indoors, while image 3 are in an airplane cabin. The medium and color schemes used in each image are also distinct.
In the prompt verification table, she checks whether each image followed the prompt. Reading the summary column, she notices that most images featured a person reading and listening at the same time.
Is there a person present in the image? All 4 images depict the presence of a person, indicating that there is at least one person in each picture. All 4 images depict a negative response to the question of whether the person is an interpreter. All 4 images depict an interpreter wearing headphones.
In the content and purpose table, she checks the usage of the images and realizes that all of them are appropriate for the web article.
These images share a common use on a website, with the exception of image 3, which would likely be seen in a newspaper article. On a website. On a website. In a newspaper article. On a website.
In the style and error table, she checks the medium of the images. She wants the sketch images, so she decides to use either the first or second image.
Medium. The images have varying mediums, but image 1 and image 4 share a cartoon style. Image 2 and image 3 are more diverse, with image 2 having vector art and digital painting, while image 3 is a straightforward photo. A sketch, a storybook illustration, a cartoon. A sketch, vector art, a digital painting. A photo. Vector art, a character portrait, a cartoon.
Using GenAssist, our study participants could better understand the differences between images and were more satisfied with the images they created.